Hey guys, I'm Professor MJ, and this is my assistant and brother,
Crazy Mickey!
and this is Crazy Science. Hey guys, we're gonna make a bottled rocket using chemical reactions. But before we get to that, let's shake out all those nerves. Okay, there's only 5 simple things we need. Bottled water and anticoagulants. Vinegar, any kind, just don't smell it. Baking soda. Paper towel. And a cork. Okay, so the baking soda and the white vinegar, they are the key to the bottle rocket. It makes a chemical reaction which builds up inside the bottle, but it has to be covered with something like a cork. But if it's covered with a normal water bottle lid, it will just explode because there's too much pressure. It has nowhere to go. So the cork works. Just push it in enough, and then the vinegar touches the baking soda, and then it builds up so much pressure that the cork can't withstand it anymore. So then it pops. Okay, so to make the bottle rocket, you pour in the white vinegar. Okay, then you put in the baking soda. Then you put it inside the bottle to a point where when the vinegar touches, it grabs all the bottle, not just some of it, so it has a bigger reaction. So I'm gonna put the cork in. Okay, let me go and get my safety goggles. Okay guys, I got my goggles on. And I'm sorry, Crazy Nikki was on a little break, but he's back now. See?
What's up, guys?
Okay, so it's time for the bottle rocket. But before we get to that, let me move all this. Okay. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Okay, ready. Unleash the Kraken.
Unleash the Kraken.
Oh my god! Okay, so that was the chemical reaction.
That didn't even wet my body.
Okay guys, that was a bottle rocket on Crazy Science. I'm Professor MJ. This is Crazy Nikki. And until next time, never stop learning.